The DS18 PRO-GM8B 8-inch mid-range loudspeaker pair delivers strong, clear vocals and instruments that easily cut through typical road noise in a car or truck. With a high, continuous power handling of 190 watts and a peak rating of 580 watts at 8 ohms, these speakers comfortably support loud listening without obvious strain. The sensitivity rating in the mid-90 decibel range means they reach impressive volume from modest amplifier power, making them a good match for many aftermarket systems. A 1 1/2-inch high-temperature Kapton voice coil and ferrite magnet structure are designed to cope with heat during long sessions, which helps the speakers stay consistent over time. The stamped steel basket, cloth surround, and paper cone work together to give a punchy, focused mid-range character that blends well with separate subwoofers and tweeters. The distinctive red aluminum bullet dust cap not only gives the drivers a custom show look, but also helps protect the moving parts for everyday use in door or rear deck locations.